So a very good morning. I am Selva Mariyappan, a BE graduate in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Saranathan College of Engineering, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu with a CGPA of 8.0. So after completing my graduation, I joined QSpiders Bangalore to enhance my skill set in software development and software testing. So here I am learning manual testing and automation testing. Joining QSpiders is one of the best decisions ever made in my life. Here I am learning manual testing, SQL, core Java and automation testing, and the faculties are very good in teaching and the HRs are very friendly to me. So they helped me a lot to achieve my goal to join as a QA engineer. Grooming sessions were too good and interview sessions, mock interviews, which helped me to improve my communication skill as well as my technical skills. The last 6 month experience was too good for me. They were so friendly and I enjoyed learning in QSpiders, and it's one of the dream company for me to achieve, and QSpiders act as a bridge for me to accomplish my goals. Thank you.